By down the ball he had in that blue shirt. That's him now, another one. And then that boy down in the red shirt. So he's the boy that owns this vehicle here. What's the point in parking that there, can you tell me? When there's plenty of room everywhere else, but these are the stupid old tatty, you know. I presume that Mr. Dickhead in the phone, the boy in the blue there with the phone now, on that boy standing there, getting out of the vehicle now, and of course he can slam the doors as hard as he could, you know. Typical Stasi tactics. I don't know, guys, what's going on. What the fucking story is with them at all. It's all fucking grand. Slamming doors and fucking walking past fake coughing and playing all these skits and doing all these skits and, you know, taking your car off you and you know, staring at you and spitting at you and letting on they're filming you and all the rest of it. That's all grand, the coughing and the whole, until I fucking lose the head and fucking kill one of them, or kill two of them, or kill fucking three of them, or shoot fucking maybe half a dozen of them, you know, when I make up my own fucking gun, you know, or whatever it is, or buy a gun. What is it now, 2,000 I think it is on the black market to get a gun, you know, but it's all grand on their behalf, fucking coming along, stalking and harassing you day in and day fucking out. But all the hours is creating a fucking psychopath. That's what they're doing, you know. Of course it wasn't long until the start of the coffin here in front either. You know, no seats anywhere else, look. No chairs anywhere else. No tables anywhere else. Loads of them. Straight there in front of you. But see, they think that that's annoying you, you know. You know. It's not annoying you one bit. It's only to show you the facts and the tactics that they're doing, the tactics that they have, or the Stasi, the blackened hands. That's the way they're on, you know. You know that. He hasn't much time left. You want to be on YouTube, buddy? You'll fake off your Stasi blackened hand, yeah. There you go. You're new 2 minutes. Thanks for watching, guys. More stupid tactics now. So they're all around the fucking place today. You know, what can you do? All is fair in love and war, that's what they say. I don't know. Fucking pathetic lowlives and losers, that's what they are. That's a Dell. Where's it? That must be a Dell, yeah. That's the one with slamming down. Yeah. That one wasn't parked there before. See where how close they are like that. They're parked there. Like there's the parking spot there. Right? They have to park there. Right? And here. And there's your parking spot there. That's why in the red and the blue there, that's them. But, that's the typical stalking and harassment program for you there. run by clowns and corrupt individuals that got in trouble with law enforcement and has to do what they're told now, or are involved in some gang of their own, or some, I don't know, like they call it, I don't know. That's the crack there now, guys. Alright, thanks for watching.